I need to go put up that TV, so I need an SDS machine to drill a hole in the wall. Okay, here's the SDS machine. Let me just take it and go do this. Oh my word! What the heck was that? Someone didn't roll up the cable, and now look, all these cables are tangled. My word! How safe is that? Okay, so to avoid the situation like that where you have your cables all tangled and it starts to become dangerous, I'm just going to show you how to safely roll up your extension, your cables for your power tools. So, circular saw, you open it up and you coil it around. And then close it, and then the cable is secure. It won't get tangled. Right. Angle grinder, you put the cable, like this one doesn't have a guard, you put the cable around and you coil it like so. And then you lock it in like so. And now again, your cable is secure and it won't get tangled. So this one's going to be a little bit iffy, but it works. First you roll up the cable like so. Okay, now I've got enough left there. I start rolling it around. Okay, that's a bit short, so I'm going to come back a little bit and give myself some more length. And roll again. Okay, that should do it. So now come to the end here, you push it through. And this also, it can't get tangled with anything. And that's how we roll cables. Next, roll in the extension cord. Step 1, you need to lay it out like this so it's not tangled. Then you need to follow the cable. Don't fight the cable. Follow the cable. So this one is fighting me because it's been rolled wrong too many times. So I'm following the cable. Follow the twists. Okay. Now we get to the end here. We roll the cable onto itself. And shove it through there. And if there's enough, this works out nicely. Now this won't get tangled with anything else.